Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Kurt. I am going to go over the instructional part of the compare bigger unknown word problems iReady lesson because it is a little tricky and I just want to explain what you're supposed to be doing. I'm going to try my best not to give you answers, but I want to explain and go over it with you. I'm also going to try to make this a little faster because I don't want to add to your minutes on the computer. You guys are on the computer enough. So I'm going to try to click through it.
Jack has 2 fish. Lucy has 3 more fish than Jack. How many fish does Lucy have? Jack has 2 fish. Lucy has 3 more fish than Jack. Show how many fish Lucy has.
Okay.
Put fish into Lucy's tank.
Okay, so this is where it gets a little not confusing, but we have to pay very close attention. Jack has 2 fish. Lucy has 3 more fish than Jack. It does not tell me Lucy has 3 fish. Okay, she has 3 more than Jack. So let's look. How many does Jack have? Okay, so he has 2. So we're going to add those 2 fish. Okay, now she has 3 more. So I'm going to add 3 more because right now she has the same as Jack. So I'm going to add 3 more fish than Jack. So 1, 2, 3. Then you can see these 2 are matched up. And then 1, 2, 3. So Lucy has 3 more fish than Jack. How many fish does Lucy have? So looking now, it's almost like our graphs that we've done. She has 5.
How many fish does Lucy have?
Lucy has 5.
Complete the equation for the problem.
This is easy peasy. We're adding. So Jack had 2 fish. Lucy had 3 more. So you have to add the 2 from what Jack had to the 3 more. And that gives you 5.
Talia has 5 shells. Mason has 4 more shells than Talia. How many shells does Mason have? You can use counters to help you solve the problem.
Okay, so I wanted to show you how to do this. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to make Talia's. So she has 5 shells. So you can carry over. And I'm going to use different shells for each person, just like we would our counters. Mrs. Kerr's not doing this in a straight line. That's okay. So Talia has 5 shells. Mason does not have 4 shells. He has 4 more than Talia. So we have to put how many Talia had. She had 5. So now I'm going to line them up, make them line up so it's easier for you to read. So there's 3, 4, 5, and I'm using different shells to show the different parts. Now, Mason has 4 more. So because I lined them up, I can see that there's 5 of each shell. So now I need to do 4 more than Talia. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you can tell very easily Mason has more shells. Now, I'm going to quickly count. I'm not counting all of these because I know right here there are 5. And then I can see the other part of 4. 5 and 4 make what? 9.
Nailed it!
So it's a little tricky just to manipulate the counters and move them.
Complete the equation for the problem.
you would say, okay, well, here's Mason's 5 that matched Talia's. So that's our part of 5. Then we had to add 4 more. So we're adding 5 plus 4, and that gave us 9. We're not subtracting.
And D.
Come on, I don't want to watch these.
Grace brings 3 chairs to the beach. Tristan brings 3 more chairs than Grace. How many chairs does Tristan bring?
All right, this one should be a little easier. Okay, so we're going to do Grace will be blue, so she has 3 chairs. Okay, sorry I don't make these very even. Okay, Tristan brings 3 more, so Tristan has to have those 3 like Grace has. And then Tristan has 3 more than Grace, so we have to add 3 more. And the more you practice this, you may not need counters. Okay, so there's the 3 that Grace had and Tristan had, 3. And then we had 3 more. 3 and 3 is a double, and that makes what? 6. So the math isn't hard. It's this 3 more that I wanted to go over with you to make sure you understood that we're not saying Tristan has 3 chairs. He has 3 more than Grace. So we're going to say 3, that's what Grace had, and then Tristan had 3 more than Grace, and that gave us 6.
Out of this world!
Ew.
Lynn has 6 pencils. Parker has 2 more pencils than Lynn. How many pencils does Parker
Okay,
have?
so some of you might be able to add these in your head and don't need counters, but I'm going to do it anyway. So Lynn has 6 pencils, so we're going to put the 6 pencils out. 4, 5, 6. Parker, does he have 2 pencils? No, he has 2 more. So we're gonna, right now, we're just gonna match up the pencils. And we know that's gonna be 6 because Lynn has 6. 4, 5, 6. Okay, so Parker has 2 more. So I now have to add those 2 more pencils. Okay, so if we had 6 here, because that's what Lynn had, and we added 2 more, 6 and 2 make what? Count on. 6, 7, 8.
Well done.
Okay,
Complete the addition equation
so
for the
Lynn
problem.
had 6 pencils. Parker had 2 more pencils than Lynn. And that gave us 8.
You made the connection.
All right, so I think we understand.
Phew! That was awesome!
I just want to make sure we're not going to have to subtract
High
here.
five.
Hi, too!
Come on. Once I know we're not subtracting.
Ian brings 4 balloons
Okay.
to a party. Cora brings 2 more balloons than Ian.
All right, I'm not going to go over this
many
because I
balloons
went over
does
about
Cora
3 or
bring?
4 of them already, and I believe this is the quiz, and I don't want to go over the quiz with you. So you guys should be good to go. I hope I explained it a little bit better than I ready, just to kind of help you out a little. All right, boys and girls, love you. Let me know if you need anything. Bye.